G'day, Tomo here from Tomo's Tune-Ups. On this episode, we are talking about radiator hoses. Now, for instance, this is a lower radiator hose on a classic Mini that runs from the water pump down to the bottom of the radiator. This also has no provisions for a heater, and if you needed one, you'd get one that has a little outlet that comes off here, which then goes to a brass fitting with a couple of hose clamps and then another hose that goes into the vehicle. It is worthwhile noting that every radiator hose is different depending on the make and model of your vehicle. So whether you've got an MPI or even just a carbureted vehicle, they are different, both top and bottom, I should note as well. Now, it is worthwhile noting as well, if you need to replace a radiator hose, it is good practice to replace both hose clamps. Not only that, but if you're unsure if a radiator hose needs to be replaced, a really good way to test it is just to give it the squeeze test. If it feels like it's crumbling in your hands, chances are it's probably seen better days. If it's not swollen or bulging in any way, chances are it's probably looking okay. But take it off, have a look inside there. If it looks pretty crusty, throw it over your shoulder, get a new one. While you're there, make sure you carry out a cooling system flush to get rid of any of that extra debris. Also, if you're unsure which one it is, make sure to check out the range at www.minisport.com.au. Reach out to the guys and ask a question because they can answer all of them. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next episode of Tomo's Tune-Ups.